What do you think about Fluffy's prediction, Brian?
1 to 4 inches of snow. I think that's like a low end of what to expect over the entire area. I think some folks will get that. I think other areas will see more than that. Keep in mind, we're all under a winter storm warning. This is going to continue all the way through Sunday afternoon. You can see the pinks covering all of our area counties, and we're expecting at least some impact from snow on the ground this time around as we go through the next little while. So this is going to continue through the night tonight. I think eventually by tomorrow things are going to start to kind of wind down a bit more. Right now you can take a live look. This is North Carolina A&T State University. We've got a few flakes around, all kinds of cameras. Roads in Detroit are mostly wet at this point. We're seeing some snow cover roads farther north where the snow has been coming down more heavily over much of the area. Brighter whites indicating heavier snowfall rates. A nice band has been setting up really from eastern parts of Wilkes County through Surrey, northern Stokes, and into Virginia. Occasionally get a little bit of Rockingham County. It's filling in a bit more to the south from here. And Triad's starting to see some heavier snow returns coming in, especially over Guilford County. We've been in and out of our studio checking out how much snow has been falling over Winston-Salem, and we're getting little bursts here and there. Notice how the snow is starting to fill in a bit more. The low that's going to spawn the surface low is easing toward the coast to transfer its energy. But it's really the upper level energy that's helping to create the good band of snow coming out of Tennessee and then moving into the western part of the state. So as far as your forecast goes, it's going to remain cold all day. Temperatures may get above 20, but not much. High should be close to 20 degrees. Northeast winds at 15 to 25, could gust as high as 35 miles per hour today. We're going to talk about the cold in a moment. Snow chances are high pretty much all day, then start to kind of die down gradually during the evening hours as the main area of our snow is going to start to pull to the south. Temperatures will follow and drop into the teens around that point too. Best snow chances are going to be relatively earlier in the foothills. You're in it now with that high snow chance, and then as we get to the latter part of the afternoon, I think the snow will start to pull to the south a bit more. Should see some decent totals up that way too, which we'll get into in a second as well. Temperatures not leaving the teens in many of our mountain spots. North winds at 10 to 20, gusting to 30 during the day, but picking up much more during the night. Going to see some strong winds. So based on what we've seen on radar, this is the estimated snowfall that we've seen over the last couple of hours, not even 24 hours, really just 12 hours. So nice totals starting to show up northern Surrey County into Virginia. From here, it'll start to fill in more over eastern areas where we haven't seen much snow as of yet. And that northern edge will come into view as it starts to sag southward. So this is going to be with us for the entire morning and into the afternoon today. Brighter whites indicating some bigger totals. And it's one of those weird storms that south and west will likely see more than some of our eastern areas. Southern areas could see more than some of our maybe Caswell County getting into northern Alamance County, and we're cold during the overnight hours, and we should clear pretty quickly later on tonight as well. Potential snowfall on our maps. You can see that the big total from that low that is still developing near the coast, some bigger totals following the upper level disturbance. This essentially is two storms and not one. The thinking earlier this week was that the energy would transfer all the way through the state and you get one big area, very heavily falling snow. It looks like two bullseyes. And part of our area, especially eastern areas as it looks right now, maybe some of our northern and eastern areas may not get as much snow from this as areas farther south from this. The other part of this is the cold weather. We're in a number of different cold weather alerts, tried under two. One goes until late tonight, and then an extreme cold warning goes into effect. Basically what that means is the strong winds with the Arctic air are going to make the wind chill temperature very cold. Really starts to crank up later on this evening through the night into Sunday morning. That's when wind chill temperatures are expected to be the coldest over the area. So you can get out and play in it, especially today. Make sure you dress warm and make sure you take frequent breaks because the wind chill values in the foothills are going to get dangerously low, below zero as we get into the evening hours. We're going to see that for the Triad 2 to a lesser degree, single digit or just below zero wind chill temperatures expected, and we'll see that also for the mountains, very cold. I'm looking at models that are showing us wind chill values in the mountains as cold as 30 degrees below zero late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Initially it stays cold even with the sun out on Sunday and gradually warm back up. Temperatures are back in the 40s later this week, maybe a little bit of wetter wintry weather by midweek.